Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be showing some of the drawing tools and instruments I use in my classes and at home. I also explain how to store, clean, and take care of each one. Let's get started. This is my ruler. To keep it in good condition, I always store it flat inside my pencil case or drawer so it doesn't break or to clean it, I simply wipe it with a soft cloth to remove pencil marks or dust. A common problem is when the markings fade or the ruler warps. To prevent that, I avoid scratching it and keep it away from the heat or sunlight. Next is my protractor. I store it in a small case with my other geometry tools to prevent scratches. For cleaning, I use a soft dry cloth. Sometimes the degree markings can fade or the plastics can crack, so I make sure to handle it gently and keep it flat. These are my triangles or set squares. I store them together with my protractor to keep the edges smooth. To clean them, I just wipe them carefully with a cloth. If the edges get scratched or uneven, it's usually because not through handling. So I make sure to store them properly and avoid stacking heavy items on them. This is my pencil sharpener. I always keep it in a dry place and empty the shaving regularly. To clean it, I use a small brush to remove any bits of pencil or lead. One common problem is when the blade becomes dull. When that happens, I replace the sharpener. If pencil tips keep breaking, I sharpen more slowly and use a good quality pencil. Here's my eraser. I keep it in a clean pencil case to avoid dirt and dust. To clean it, I rub it gently on a clean sheet of paper. If it gets hard or starts to crack, I know it's because of heat. So I make sure to store it away from sunlight. If it leaves smudge, I switch to a better eraser. Next, my pencil. I keep them in a case or holder to protect the tips. To maintain them, I sharpen them carefully with a clean, sharp sharpener. If the tip break easily, it's usually because they've been dropped, so I handle them gently and sharpen slowly. Lastly, my pen. I always keep it upright with a cap on to stop the ink from drying out. To clean it, I wipe the tip with tissue, and if it's refillable, I clean the nib with water. Sometimes the ink won't flow. When that happens, I just shake it gently or scribble on scrap paper. If it leaks, I make sure the cup is tight and keep it away from the heat. And that's it. These are my drawing tools and how I take care of them. Keeping them clean and stored properly helps them last longer and makes my drawings smoother and easier to do. Thanks for watching.